Hey guys, welcome back. Whilst you're quarantining from the corona at home, this is the perfect time to practice some of my recipes, including this one, chocolate chip cookies, a classic. To support me, like, subscribe, and follow me on my socials. Let's get on with the video. You're gonna need 185 grams of brown sugar, 120 grams of normal sugar, 230 grams of plain flour, vanilla extract and coffee powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda, 130 grams of melted butter deep brown, 120 grams of milk chocolate, 1 egg plus an egg yolk, and 50 grams of dark chocolate. In your bowl, put the sugars, vanilla, coffee, and deep brown melted butter and leave to mix for 5 minutes until light brown. Add the eggs, mix, then add your flour. I can recommend you hand mix it first before machine just so the powder doesn't go everywhere. Once done, put your chocolate chips in and mix with a spoon. I'll be doing a poll on Instagram to see if you want me to post recipes more often to fill your quarantine craving needs, or just comment down below. Line a tray with parchment paper and scoop your cookie dough on. This roughly makes 20. Pop it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Once they first come out, they'll be quite soft, but as they cool, they develop the nice crunchy outer layer. When I open it up, you can see the chocolate chips with the perfectly cooked center. I took a bite and I could get that melt in your mouth center. The extra ingredients really elevate the smell and taste. It's incredible. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're still bored, go and watch all my other videos. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want me to post more often and what else you would like me to do. Stay safe. Bye.